Guys, these little babies right here, these little babies are Pomme Souffle. Let's go. Let's start out making our potato souffle. You can use Russet or you can use Yukon Gold. It's up to you. Prefer a Japanese mandolin, but any mandolin will do. I like to go to where you can't even barely slice it and then just slightly go down from there. Don't bother peeling it. It doesn't matter. Just like so. You want to work quickly to keep the potato from oxidizing. So you want to go ahead and lay out on some paper towels your potato slices. Then we want to take another paper towel, just place it right on top. You really want to dry these off. This will keep them from oxidizing. We'll get all that moisture out. And once this paper towel gets wet, we'll go ahead and take that off and we'll lay down a new paper towel. And we'll just do the same thing. Just go ahead and press it down into the potato. Go ahead and leave the paper towel on the potatoes for about 10 minutes to let them dry. Next, we want 1 egg white. Slightly whisk. Next, we want to get a piece of parchment paper. We want to lay out our potatoes. On one half of the potato, we're gonna do a little bit of potato starch, or you can use cornstarch if you don't have potato. Just need a little bit, so I just like to brush majority of it off, just to have a nice thin layer. Okay, like so. And then the other half of the potato, we're gonna take our egg white. We're gonna brush our egg white. Just a nice thin layer. You don't have to cake it on. Less is more with these potatoes. Once we have the egg white on there, we'll just go ahead and fold these on top of each other. Just press it down. Don't worry about if they line up, because we're gonna take a little ring mold and cut it out, so they don't have to be perfect. Don't worry about that. And then next thing we want to do is just get our ring mold, whatever size fits your potato, and then you just want to press down. And hopefully our potato will knot nicely. So there we have our beautiful little rounds, just like that. Just make sure you're really pressing down into these. There we have our potatoes cut out. Next, we want to get a pot of oil and heat it up to 150 degrees Celsius or about 302 degrees Fahrenheit. And when our oil's ready and hot, make sure you have a ladle. Drop your potato. You want to start spooning. See where it starts to puff up like that? Just start spooning the hot oil on top. This guy's ready, so get yourself a nice strainer. See how beautiful those are, nice and crispy. And I like to just stick them over a wire rack, just like so. So one cool thing you can do with these is you can actually poke a hole. Here I have a little crema. Top it with a little caviar and a little bit of chive. Okay guys, that's it for the dish. Came out awesome. I love these things. So beautiful, so crispy, so delicate. Like I said, you could just have fun with them, fill them with whatever you want. Put a little caviar, a little creme fraiche in there. This one I just put a little pastrami spice that I made. And then this one just has a little bit of my rosemary salt. If you know, you know. Go ahead and check out that recipe to learn how to make that salt. Perfect with these. Absolutely delicious. So guys, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe if you learned something new. Just a quick little video today. I just want to get this out to you guys and just show you how much fun you can have with potatoes. Check out my other potato recipes. There's plenty of them on my channel. So have fun, enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. So cheers.